Guys, hello, welcome back. So in today's video we'll be discussing or looking at how to buy coins from Binance. So what is your preferred coin of pick? Let's use something that I can use the whole money to buy. Which coin is rather cheap now? Okay, let's just say SRM. SRM is currently at what? $3.12, $3.129 as of when I am making this video. Okay, so if you want to buy coin from Binance, basically you should be on the buy section, right? You definitely need to be on the buy section and not the sell. So yeah, these are orders. I think in the next video I'll explain all these orders for you: market order, limit order, stop limit, and OCO. OCO means one cancels order. Okay, so let's put it on market price because basically I want to buy the coin at the current market price, right? So yeah, I'll put it on market price. Then it shows no price here, so basically you're going to buy it at any price it is on the market. So you have amount here, you have total here, amount, total, amount, total. So let's just say the total I want to use to buy it is just $20. Or if I don't want to type $20, I just want to use 50% of my portfolio. Look at the percentage slider here. So let's say it's 25% of my portfolio I want to use. Can click on 25. Let's say it's 50%. Can click on 50, 75, 100%. So let's just say 25, and the total is always on USDT. Okay, so now the amount here is the coin, that's the SRM. The total is the price in USDT. That's, let's go to amount and check now. So for us to buy 3.8 SRM, we need 12.076 watts USDT. And please mind you, you cannot buy or exchange or sell any coin on Binance that is below $10. The mark is 10, it should be 10 above. Okay, so note that you cannot buy, sell, exchange or anything below $10 except it's on peer-to-peer, but here you cannot. So since it's above 10, okay, let me just show you guys what I mean. Let's say now it's 9, I want to buy $9, I want to buy it to get me 2.8 SRM. Now let's see what happens when I click on buy. Total must be greater than 10. Do you guys see that? Total must be greater than 10. Binance really needs to adjust this. Some persons do not have money. Okay, so yeah, total must be greater than 10. So if you're hoping to use anything below $10 to trade on Binance Sports, it will not work. If it's on features, I think it actually can work. So yeah, so let's leave it on 25%. So I want to use $12, or let me just say 100%. I want to use $48 to buy the total coin. Let's see how many coins it gets us. So it gets us 15 SRM. Gets us 15 SRM at $48. So I just click on buy. You can see an order confirmation will be below here. Your price is the market price. Your total is $48.3. Then I'll click on confirm. So when I click on confirm, can we go to our wallet and check the coin? So boom, if you come here, you check the coin, you see that the coin has automatically been bought for you. Alright, so what I normally do is to prevent all this noise and then to prevent all these coins from showing up and lagging my phone, I basically come here and tap hide coins with zero balance. When I click on it, all those coins that don't have anything on them will be hidden. So only coins that have some things on them can show up. So you have SRM of 15.4. yeah, so I'll go back to sell it. When I go back and sell it, the same market price. I'll explain all those limit orders for you guys in the next video. So the same market price, just click on total or amount. I want to sell 15.4. When I click on it, it says 15.4 that shows up. When I click on 100%, 15.4. If I click on 50%, it's 7.7. So but I want to sell off everything. 15.4. Click on sell SRM, and boom, we have what? 0 SRM. We have back our money in our wallets. So coming back here, you see that SRM has disappeared, right? Because now it has zero balance. Alright guys, that's just the nitty-gritties on how to get coin for yourself on Binance. It's not that difficult, right? Yeah, it's not. You can come here, search any pair you want. Let's say it's LORC, loop ring. You can just basically buy any coin you want here using this method. Alright guys, in our next video I'll be showing you how you can follow a signal, how you can place limit orders and everything for just sports only. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.